Hello, we are going to see how to create a Moodle classroom using Moodle Cloud open source platform. First thing, just Google out Moodle Cloud. Then moodlecloud.com is where you have to go, right? You can see what is a Moodle Cloud. It's an learning environment with the world's leading open source learning platform, Moodle. And every content will be hosted in the cloud, right? So that if there is an interaction between the faculty and the students can be anywhere, they can learn the content, the faculty can sit anywhere, can teach the student. Everything is connected in the cloud. So we started with the get started for free. Of course, like any other software facility, there is a free version and there is a paid version, and we will be knowing the paid version is of course offers more benefit. Like you can see, for a free trial, certificates won't be provided. We don't have any document converters. We don't have many other features. But if you go for the maximum user is limited to 200, and the maximum file storage is 400 megabytes. And there is some other version called starter. Okay, this is an ideal for single class. This is for $80 per year. Okay, then Moodle for school, like universities and school can opt for any one of this range, right? Like mini, small, and medium, ranging from 250 per year to 500 per year to 1000 per year. Now since we are just going to have a trial pack, just to want to get the taste of the Moodle, we just move into the free trial. So we just go for the get started. Then it's asking whether you are new to Moodle. If you are new to Moodle, you can get a live demo here. I recommend to take this live demo if you wish, or else straight away go into you want to create a new account. Create a new account. If someone's already having an account, means they can use this option. They can just log in now. If you are new to the Moodle, just create the account, create a new account. It takes few seconds to set up a new account. Let's wait for the time. Yes, we are here now. Now the account is going to be we are going to open the new account. Before going to open the new account, we just confirm these check boxes, like we are checking whether 18 years old, we are agreeing with the terms and services, and we are agreeing with the privacy notice, and we are agree with the cloud data processing agreement, right? Just tick those boxes, and I request to read the summary of things. Then we move to the next. Right, here is where we have to enter our details. I'm going to enter the detail of my channel name, YouTube channel name. You can enter your own personal name, right? First name and family name, email address. They're asking to confirm it. Remember, we have to enter those items which is marked in red asterisk mark. Okay, they are mandatory. Other things, if you wish, we can fill, or else we can just leave it out. And they are asking the mobile number. Since it's an universal application, we have to definitely enter the country code first. So I press I, it goes into Iceland, India. So I select India. Okay, you keep the cursor here, you press I. Okay, now it's saying that it will be starting with the number 091. Okay, need not to type 091, just type your mobile number. I'm typing my mobile number. And the time zone is of course for India, we have the Kolkata time zone. The organization name, since I belongs to this Government College of Engineering, I'm entering that account. If you wish, you can enter, or else you can just leave it out because it's not mandatory. And its organization type is it's an university or college. Once you fill out this detail, then please tick this checkbox. And if you wish, you can check, right? If you want to receive any updates from Moodle Cloud, you can tick, or else if you if you are not interested in receiving any tips or news from the Moodle Cloud, you just leave it. I'm just ticking the box and going into the next one. The next page, it is asking what is the name of the site you are wishing to keep, right? It is asking the site name. Remember, the site name is .moodle.com. This is the full, this is the next, this is the second half of your site name. The first half you have to fill. I'm just keeping fundamentals because I want to keep this as with my YouTube channel. So I just keep fundamentals.moodlecloud.com. So this is my Moodle Cloud site name. So hereafter, whenever I type this in the browser, I will go into my Moodle Cloud account page. Okay, and the content will be posted. And see, the server for Moodle Cloud is operated in 3 places, right? Australia, Ireland, and United States. Okay, you can select anything, no problem at all. I select United States, and it's asking what is the purpose of using this Moodle Cloud. I just say that it's for just an evaluating purpose. If you are very serious about using it in future, you can select for higher education or community education. Since this is an evaluating version, I'm saying that trying out or evaluating Moodle. Then press the next one. Now you would be receiving your verification code to the mobile number you have given, right? I have given this my mobile number already. The code is 91. Okay, for India the code is +91. So you just given the 10-digit mobile number, so it added with +91, and now you would receive your OTP. The OTP is coming as 210500. Then I'm going to give next. The next step, it is asking about the new password, right? See, remember, this will be the password to log into your to both of your Moodle Cloud site and the portal, right? The Moodle Cloud account, we know I have given fundamentals at fundamental.moodlecloud.com. That is my user ID. The password I'm going to set here. It's up to you. You can set. It should be of minimum five characters, right? Just I have set my own password. Minimum is 5 characters. Okay, then go to the next step. Next, it takes us to this page, right? This is the step 5. We have completed step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and we are in the last step. It says something about the portal, right? Portal is where you are creating your user ID and support, what sort of support is offered. And in India, who is supporting this Moodle Cloud is this Ballistic Learning Private Limited. Okay, so we are not interested in those things. Just we are going to, thanks, take me to my Moodle site now. So now we are taken into the Moodle site in which we are created. See, we can see the name here, Fundamentals Learner, and I can even edit the profile, right? Okay, there is another way of logging into the Moodle site, right? Since we have created our own Moodle site and password, we can log into that. We'll see how it is. While receiving OTP itself, you will be receiving your Moodle web link, right? Your Moodle account web link. My Moodle account web link is fundamentals.moodlecloud.com. Okay, just I type in the URL, I press enter. It will be taking me into the Moodle site. Okay, so this is my Moodle site. Okay, you can see this is the navigational bar, right? Here is where I will have my courses. Okay, as an introduction, Moodle themselves offer a free course. This is introduction to Moodle. Okay, they themselves offer a course, how to work with that, how to work with this entire setup, how to create a course, and how to post the assignment, how to evaluate the students. Those things are covered in this, right? Okay, as an introduction, I can say a few things like first thing, I'm going to change my profile, go into the channel. Okay, then the profile, you can see it's showing that you can edit the profile. See, we are coming under the admin, right? Since we are creating this page, we are the admin, showing other information. And even if we can add the picture also, if you wish, right? Like going to upload a file. I'm going to choose a file. In the profile, and see where I went to the profile. I went here. I went to the profile. So this is my profile section. Okay, it's given the name, username as admin for me. Here you can see edit the profile. Edit the profile. The username is admin. The first name, surname, it will be your name, what you have entered while registering your account will be coming here. What is the email address and what about the description? And here you can use the picture, right? A user picture. So just I go into user picture. You can take the file from the server, or else you can upload the file. I select the upload the file. In this, from the attachment, I am going to add, because in D drive I have my picture. So choose the file. You can see my photo here, or else I can take the subject photo, control system. Okay, then I have to just upload this file, right? So update profile. At last we have an update profile. Okay, now your profile is updated. And other thing like okay, after editing the profile image, I have updated the control system image in this this here. You can have your photos, your institute building like that here, right? So the student can identify whenever they look at this logo, they can identify the course. Now we are going to see, already I said that there will be already an introduction to Moodle course created by the Moodle itself for our convenience, right? Okay, now we want to create our own course. So this is your gear icon. Okay, gear icon. So go there, click it. You can see see already it will be editing is off, right? We have to turn it. You have to turn it on. Turn editing on. Turn editing on. Now the editing is on only, then only we can create the new course. Here we can see a add a new course option. So you click that, add a new course. Once you created the add a new course, it will coming into this page. Here you can say add a new course. Here you have to type the course full name. I have typed my full name of the course. Then the short form of the course. For control system I have given CS. And other things, if you wish, you can fill, or else you can just leave it out. But this red exclamatory marks are mandatory, essential things. Definitely have to fill out those things. Then regarding the description of the course, I have given as 18 EC4 control system. If you click this icon, it will show the hidden icons, right? Like I can justify, I can underline. Okay, I have given the description of the course. This is the basic and essential course for the undergraduate in electrical, electronics and communication domain. And even if you can wish, you can upload a picture for this course. Then regarding the course format, it's like an activity format. So we take generally as a topics format. Number of sections you can change. Okay, I give it as 4. Okay, other things are simple. Then save and return. Yes, now our course 18 EC 405 control system has been come at the main page itself, right? In our already we see fundamentals Moodle Cloud. In the course we had only introduction to Moodle. This is the default course we had. Now we have our own course 18 EC 405 control system. Okay, here is where we are going to work with it. Just click that. We'll move into the course page. Okay, this is the course page. You see, these are self-explanatory. Any announcement, topics, contents, those things we can post it here, and we can add the students also. Those things I will be explaining in the next video, or else I will keep continuing. Thank you.